City Hall on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the world. Wazobia Max Rocha 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable nationwide, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live anywhere on top of the internet. Ezugu Chukudi Anuku be inside studio, and we discuss the issue of headsmen. We don't take them go another level because the governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, don't talk say no more cattle heading inside Ekiti State because the thing they are affecting people. People they die, then they rape people, then they steal from people, people they wound well. We go they ask so that this one now the final solution. We don't need to discuss this particular issue on top of this program, but it can't be like say somehow every day we talk, we know they see action. We get Mayowa on top of our telephone line. Mayowa, good morning and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mayowa.
Yes. I think my response to this is I don't think sending them away is the right thing. It can actually be restricted to a particular area.
Okay.
I think this will, if not resolved finally, it will reduce the rate of criminality in the country.
Very true.
Thank you.
Oga Mayowa, straight to the point and very, very sharp.
Thank you very, very much.
Nkubi, you mentioned about ranching. We don't talk about this ranching. It can't be like say ranching a problem when we say na something when we say we go bring from heaven. I mean, made in China. Shebek we begin to define what ranching be. Is it now time for us to start teaching our people that we elected to represent agriculture? They don't do agricultural science. No, they don't do agricultural science. Who could be tell me? Because you people are underground.
I go school.
Solving the question underground.
I go school with them.
Tuber of yam, underground.
I go school with them.
Underground solution. Underground. What if we get swats of land full everywhere. If you travel, you know they see bush, left and right, bush. What will they do with all of this? Can't we delve into ranching? If for the past 1 year, when people don't they complain, or several years as people they talk, remember say for the year 2000, I recall say this particular incident say cattle headers for Ogun State. I no go forget Ogun State. Ogun State. Cattle headers and farmers then fight. When we say people come and say no, we need to come up with a big plan. We need to do this from 2000 to this date.
15 years down the line.
What do we don't do?
What do we don't do? Down the line.
What do we don't do? We are always applying makeup on top of dead body, thinking say the thing go fine.
The funny thing about this whole thing is say, I understand the fact say yes, say solution to this matter now we try address. But then when some top people, the same people who say supposed to find solution to this thing, because they come and say yes, so say this thing, say if they kick against this thing, or probably they cause violence. Say you go do it. Say you go pretend like a serious issue to the security of Nigeria.
Of course,
you understand.
Of
but
course.
Then, if you will be leader, go come and talk this kind of thing. Say make people not take this kind of action. Make people not take this action. And you as an individual, they take action. What did this say go lead to?
Of course.
That's the issue we should be talking about.
Thank you.
You just keep giving advices, but you're not finding any lasting solution. Find solution. Make we know what you go do about that.
No spoil table.
No.
It is my talk. No spoil table.
I have every right to.
Wish your talk. Something I've been talking since 10 o'clock.
I'm the one talking.
You just started talking it by 10:34. You won't go spoil table.
You don't do it.
When are they shake?
I get that for mind to talk.
You get that for
mind. And I don't talk and sins.
Mr. Mind.
I don't talk and sins.
Mr. Mind.
Joshua self, when they call us down, I don't talk and sins. Good morning, Oga Joshua. What is the meaning of that?
Mr. Mind.
Good morning, Joshua. Oga Joshua, you there?
Why you no go verse? When all the contribution when they don't
Oga Joshua they call to contribute. Wait be vex there. Good morning, Oga Joshua. They hear you, Jare.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Not the Joshua. Chooks from the
Okay, Chooks from Lagos. Good morning.
Yeah.
Oga Chooks, right on. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chooks. I know the verse. I don't think your voice don't calm me down.
I beg, no. Now, the thing that affects all of us.
Yes.
Thank you.
You see, we don't forget one thing for the country.
Okay.
As far as I'm concerned, for the government way there now, it's like there is some issues with pertain to common man like me and you.
Yes.
And it's under carpet. And it is very, very bad. It is unfair and it is satanic. Whatever their names are, Fulani headsman or the other one who then say them begin there, what we know say this, say, now Fulani, now them always the record, and they will continue to be Fulani headsmen. Because no matter the name we then say they call them, me I no call them, now Fulani, even if our guy come from there, now he make it is super under captain because it is very, very glaring. It is glaring. But this now because he come there, he come from there, he come to sleep under carpet. God, then he will judge us for. Now, so Fayoshe now, I don't go lie you, Fayoshe now one of the Westerner or Western governors will be say are the trip for that man. The device when we don't put now to save the old state people. Believe me, my brother, every other state should take up this device. Because even in the house, when they said it, somebody don't talk, say, which you all know, which we all know, rise up and say, since the federal government no fit do anything about this, no, the federal government look am, no, we do the thing, the way we go take do am. Now, when you don't come out, do the way we want to do. I advise every other state governor to do the same. Because these are personal business.
But Oga Chuks, one quick question. If all the governors do as Oga Ayodele Fayoshe don talk, say, make these people not come their states.
Or probably make them find a particular place, spot where we say they go they do it, they go they raid their cattle.
You not think say this issue go cause even greater problems? Why you not think say we suppose put pressure on those when we say get the legitimacy to do wetin dey right to start am now? Because if we get 36 states and make we talk say okay 30 of the governors talk say we don't want these people for our particular state, e go leave them with only 6 when go put them there. Remember
my
say
my brother, may I tell you, how many pressure we won't put again? That's the one we don't put. That's the death, the killing, economic declination. Where these people discuss us. How many we won't put? Children don't know the number of people who die on daily basis. They not doing houses, farms, where they get destroyed. Children, they die. Children, when we say that they're the future of this tomorrow. Then they're not coming and grow up on the future. Let that again. So how many pressure on that? Let's go to the how many pressure we put again?
Oga Chuks, thank you very much. We don't know this your important point. We appreciate this your important contribution. But like we don't talk from the start, 2 wrongs no they make any right. If you talk say you want fire this fire with fire, the thing go cause explosion. We get Love from Port Harcourt. Love, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
I dey greet you, Love.
Good morning, Love.
Now, waiting me at the tip of my television at darkness, so now go see that the user. I don't even know the topic. I want to make you tell me.
Okay, we dey discuss this issue of herdsmen. When Governor Ayodele Fayoshe of Ekiti State don't come now and talk, say he no one see them at all for inside the state, and he can't talk other governors say make them do the same thing. You think say this one are the best solution?
I'm best offense because since when they talk of about this food and people when they kill people, they don't kill people for any good. Nobody, even our president Buhari never make any comment. He will never take action because him na put an man. So waiting Ekiti governor do, now is the best thing. Because if those people are smart, if they fall end of my family person, which is any Pokemon was with cow, I go take a head to.
Oga Love, we don't note this your important point, but it go good make we also correct something. Say we know say many of the major problems we face for this country get to do with ethnic sentiment, get to do with tribalism. That is why it go dey very very important make we as a people not just talk, make we shout, make the government here, make them do the right thing. Because if this person talk say, oh, this person na Fulani for example, or this person na Efik or na Nupe or na Birom, he don wound my brother when be Yoruba, now na me go back, go avenge or go do something bad. This one go escalate the problem. Now why we all dey raise our voice dey talk say make government do wetin dem suppose do now to avert the danger when go come tomorrow. And we get one quick advice for you. You talk say you dey watch us on top of Go TV, but e be like say the thing no clear. E be like say dem particular problem. Go through the one we don't understand. Ask question.
Read
you
that
represent
well.
people. Come back, come tell your people, say, see so when they what I go suggest. So that when you debate, you go contribute meaningfully to that.
Make no see cases where we say
they go hide something inside bill. Just like they take part budget.
We know about party. Party say that when say some people say when they represent us, the bill when they join hand this thing. They don't even know what
anything about that.
We got Oga Olumide. Oga Olumide they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Oga Olumide. Olumide, good morning. Good morning. Right over there, hear you. Contribute. Oga Olumide, I beg, if you come out from where you did now, I'll be make you bring down the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you well.
Oga Olumide, I beg you, like say you go call us back.
You go call us back.
Hear waiting, you go talk. Who could be this matter? They very easy. It dey very easy. See, agriculture. Our agriculture now something when they very broad. We get livestock farming. People talk about poultry. People talk about fish farming and something like that.
You like fish very well, but then make we collect this call from Sheung. Sheung, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Sheung.
Good morning.
For where for Lagos they call us from?
Ikorodu.
Ikorodu, right on. They hear you.
Yeah, Oga Chuk.
I agree to Oga Sheung.
They allow this man they talk now. You
Okay.
want to
Oh,
Oga
Sheung. Oga Sheung, thank you.
Oga Sheung,
Thank you.
I am putting him under pressure.
You
just
can't
like
put
he
me
put
under
me under
pressure.
pressure before the election. Simple.
No being the Buhari now. Everybody go for the man.
Thank you very much, Oga Sheung.
But based on this matter,
Yeah,
I think they
vote
need
am to do the right thing, but you no do am. Thank you. Make I just leave am there.
Based on this matter,
Yes.
the thing where they will do, say make them stop all this cattle rally. They move up and down. At least that range could be okay to create a place for them to see their this thing there, their cow there. Nobody say they go they take and they stop another people.
Exactly.
They kill people. I think that thing where your fire say is very okay. That is my.
Oga Sheung, from the prophet, I greet you.
Thank you very much, Oga
I
Sheung.
greet you from the prophet.
You don't also join Matt on top of this matter. Don't also give your own opinion on top of this matter. But then we'll still talk and say two wrongs that Chukwudi talk cannot make a right. But before we enter further into this one, we'll collect this call from Frank. Frank, they call us all the way from Lagos. That is here for Lagos. Frank, good morning. Where they call us from Lagos?
Good morning.
Good morning. Where they call us from Lagos?
Yeah, from Lagos, from Ikorodu.
Ikorodu, okay. Right now they hear you, Frank.
This topic now very hot topic, and I enjoy as they hammer am very well.
Thank you very much.
You see, any problem where they face country where involve life, no be small problem. And I will permit me not to use this word. Make our president not to use tribalism in every way. They turn their fear. They say this matter. If not to create grazing reserve for the Fulani men and the herdsmen at the corner, may they create grazing reserve for them and prepare lasting solution where to protect the life of the citizens.
Yes.
And do them for that thing where they go protect our life and property. So now my solution.
Frank, thank you very much.
We appreciate this your particular contribution. Quickly, make we rush go break. When we go this break, come back, it will be the final lap on top of Acid Hot, and we're going to discuss the matter. They go, don't go anywhere. Now, still the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. You are in trouble today. No, you are in trouble.
Yes, I don't enter the final lap of our program, and the matter what they talk about today now, the action way Oga Ayo Fayoshi, that is governor of Ekiti State, where he talk, say, look, say he no one do anything, say he no one see any cattle rearer or cattle herdsmen, they roam around there, this thing, Ekiti State. He can also talk, say anybody who say he want to do the business of cattle, make it find space, based in space there. But then people call they talk, say, we don't bring up all from different reactions. People call they talk, say, we get a country, we say, at least, say, we give us the right to do it, to at least assess any state we want to assess. Say this one way, this action way Oga Fayoshi they take, say it go really work, make no go do it, make no go cause further problem. But in the same vein, we don't also get reaction, we say, government we say we're supposed to find the central solution to this thing. We don't also find solution. Say now until somebody, so other set of people do something, now they will not say they will find quick solution to that. And we still they collect our course, and the matter still they very hot on these studios. We still go.
Nkubi, as a comrade now, let me speak like a comrade. As a comrade, you see, I find it, I go speak English because Pidgin, no, I find it.
See, if you want to make a fine dictionary for you, for Pidgin, make a fine for you, make you know how to go take break this your English down. Because
this English strong past Pidgin.
And so, but because,
I find it.
Because we know they for PM English platform, just use your English.
But why you fear my English now?
Not me, go. I don't understand your English. No, if you are, you don't consider viewers already there.
Okay, Oga Frank, they call us back. Oga Frank, welcome back to Asi the Hot.
Oga Frank, welcome back. Good morning.
Oga Frank, you there? Like I said, the network no gree. Oga Frank, could be see. This matter is very, very simple. Now, we understand, say, certain natural factors, they contribute to, say, the matter they difficult. There's certification, they force people come up from certain places. But if we talk about, it don't work for Argentina. When we say that they be the number one country where they carry beef come. Oga team, they call us from Lagos. Oga team, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Why? What's the meaning of that?
Allow Oga team talk now.
Oga team, good morning. Oga team, they there?
When I greet him, why you not allow him talk?
He answer you.
Why you not allow him talk?
Oga team, good morning. You there?
How many morning now? How many morning?
You never can tell now.
How many morning?
Me, I no greet him.
So you mean say you know the year now?
I no talk so. Now you talk so.
But why are you greeting him repeatedly?
Me, I no greet him.
Why are you greeting him repeatedly? Oga team.
You were talking something about Argentina.
I say get countries where we say things don't work. Then try them. Why we not fit borrow successful models? Make we see whether we fit use them. Why allow ethnic sentiments? Why allow tribalism? See now people they call talk say because our president, our papa, our president, not Fulani man. Yes. Because you allow room for people to begin to think some kind of thing when you don't do what is right.
And when it possibly lead to such a way we say he no go like eventually.
Thank you for saying this. Oga Jacob they call us from Lagos.
Jacob,
I like the way you are assisting me in the prophecy.
Assisting you. Do I look like assistant?
My complaint is if I'm a governor of Benue State, because I'm from Benue,
okay,
I will do the same thing where this man from
Ekiti
State.
But Oga Jacob.
Hold on my land.
Okay.
You thought I don't follow drugs.
Oh, yeah, no fair, sorry.
This man, today, I received my own newspaper from Wazobia. And they said that a lady from Benue State, I read the most gun and judge. If I have opportunity to buy that gun and give them for buy, first, a friend man to get gun. Who give them a for the trouble? How many years they get your money?
Oga Jacob, no verse. So you say you come from Benue, and I understand. Say the pain. Say okay, this kind of thing happen for Benue. Now in cause but make we check am. If you do am this way, it go be fire for fire, and it thing go lead to more problem.
And if
you no think say make we get.
Okay. Before we don't get fire to fire, but they kill us. In a fire to fire, maybe we get wanted to kill them. They don't understand what I'm saying.
Oga Jacob, we understand, but we go try appeal to you, say make you take am very, very easy.
Solution to this particular matter, because we always talk and say 2 wrongs cannot do it, it cannot make a right. So at least.
Well, okay, hold on.
Okay.
Before now, they kill us. Why government don't intervene? Even at that day, okay, the last one so now they may contact you with farming and police, they kill us. This last one they kill, but the last killing.
Oga Jacob, thank you very, very much. Like we talk, we understand, say, especially when come from, because you talk from the beginning, say you come from Benue, and if you be the governor, see what you go do. But it go dey very, very important. Make we not allow, say, okay, this thing they pay me, make I take this decision, because it will lead to more problem. But we understand your point. No, sir, they call us from Lagos. No, sir, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Oga Chukwu, good morning.
Good morning,
I greet you, Oga, no, sir.
I like the way they fire that guy when the president of government.
I must fire him. I must fire him as a comrade.
Na so me I get problem reach.
He doesn't say not the government side. I like that point. So they run from government side.
Okay, Oga contribute to the hear you.
I like the way talking to so because, like for example, when Lagos State, when they Okada the cost limit, the Lagos State just quickly pass the law and ban the Okada for some areas. So fire is a security of we have the right to
and people are suffering. It's not that everybody has right to free movement, but when your movement begins to infringe on people's rights, you have to restrict their movement. So you get right to do it. I like what you that's my contribution. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. But like we don't talk, two wrongs, no, they make right. If you talk, say, because this thing they pay you now, you they vex, you won't take this particular decision. In the end, if it can cause more problems, it go be wahala. Remember, say some people, when they resident in Ekiti State, not be just say the waka come they live there. Some of them are people when me say, over the years, they don't dey there, they don't intermarry. Ide Oyo, Ide Ogun, Ide Enugu, Ide Ebonyi, Ide different parts of this country. All of us now one people. But it go good, make we attend to the basic of this problem. Number one, when I talk, say, our borders, they porous. People from Niger, Chad, Cameroon, Libya, they enter in here with their cattle. Not be our business. Their government supposed to be responsible for them. We understand, say, okay, well, as brother or big brother African nation, make we take care of people when we say need our help. But if these people, they come in, like when I talk, they know they even speak our language, and then they cause problem for us.
And
we need to do the right thing to protect our people.
Because the problem. And still, we still get that same porous borders when say, they still coming from. Meanwhile, we get problems when they don't cause, we will never feel resolved. The porous borders still very open, and I can't count the number of borders we get, and yet we talk say we get government. Make we
no verse. I know say you don't turn born again now with
no, I don't turn born again for you.
With the way
I talk and say why talk right from beginning.
Okay, make we end the thing. Nigeria.
And now why they talk to you know say why don't they talk to you?
Allow me end show now. You know say they say make I take easy with you.
What you got to do before? No, what you got to do before?
Okay, make we end show. Let's bet. No, bring your hand. No, bring it.
Stretch it.
No, I'm stretching.
I'm stretching as well.
Bring your hand. Nigeria and our country. No, wait. Nigeria and our country. You no go spoil. You go
cut this side.
You go further.
Okay.
Nigeria and our country. You no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward until we come back again tomorrow. Person don't follow you play. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.